Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of this ServiceNow. ServiceNow is basically a ticketing system which is globally used in an organization for managing the stuffs like inventory, incidents, CR, and some other stuffs like invoicing and all the details or vendor management as well. Hardware and software components are also included in this. So let's begin with this. In previous session I have already explained about how to create an account and set and develop an instance. In this session I will explain you about how to create an incident and enter the detail of incident, how we can set any incident to critical so that the IT team or the actioner team will pick on priority. So let's begin with this. An important part, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So we have already logged in ServiceNow portal. Just click on incidents. Once you will click on the incident, you are able to see all the incidents are listed which is already created. In our case, we want to create an incident and assign it to the actioner. So let me click on new. Once you will click on the new, you are able to see the incident new record page. Here the incident number will be automatically picked and by default it's in the order, just like if the previous person is created the incident, it was like INC 001 and 2 is the incident number who is created earlier of this. You want to create and the caller, we have to provide the detail. So caller is just like me, or you can set to anybody who is willing to accept, or the last name name let's create with my ID profile and first name is system. So let's go back. Now it's changed because someone is using system. You can assign to anybody, just like I'm assigning to him Abraham Lincoln, and the inquiry. So here if you want any help, like your system is not working or your network is not connected or your browser is not working, that type of help will go in inquiry or help. If you want to install any specific application or software in your system, definitely go with your software. If you need or having requirement of any hardware which will IT team is going to take care. For requirement of hardware is always having two components, one internal requirement and second system administrator is asking with organization to deploy for specific project. So let's take an inquiry or help subcategory. If we want to categorize with antivirus email system, let me put it here so that for tracking it will be easy. Contract type is email or contact type is email or phone number if you willing to provide. Better to provide the email. State is new, or you can yes, it's always new whenever we are creating. Impact, if it is impacting very much or it's in critical, means your Outlook is not working or email system is not working, definitely it will be in high priority or impact is high. Urgency, how much urgent is that? If you are the business person, definitely it will be high. If you are in the senior most position, then also high. If you are middleman, just like a senior tester or senior developer, definitely it will be medium. But that too is dependent on the criticality of your application. Better to mention it high. Priority is always picked by according to impact and urgency. Assign group, you should assign to IT because it's related to emailing system. Assign to person, if you want to add any person, better. Otherwise organizations have already configured with their email groups, so email groups will be automatically picked once you will select this. Provide the title name, so email, or you can mention here Outlook is crashing while entering, or you can mention it while opening Outlook is crashing. If you want to put any further detail, you can mention it here. Cut any additional detail, if you want to mention it, do it. Otherwise click on submit. After hitting submit, your incident will be created, and if you want to have a look, you can just preview or click on this. You're able to see all the details which we have mentioned is available. So once it is assigned to, this is created by system administrator and it's Fred, assigned to Fred. If that will, it will highly impacted, then definitely SLA will, you can see priority and resolution is in 1 hour SLA. So this is how our incident system is working. If you want to attach any attachment, you can do that just clicking on this, and you can show your activity stream is also. So you can see activities assigned here. Within 1 hour you will get an resolution because of criticality of this incident. But this is not always in a case your incident will be an critical or in high priority. But whenever you are working with a critical impact, or when you are working with the BAU activities, and your BAU activities is always having in software, and that software is not working, definitely it will log a critical. If emailing system is not working, then definitely log an critical. If your laptop is crashing or unable to load your laptop screen, definitely it will be an critical. But the severity of defect is varies according to your requirement as well. So by this way we can create an incident. So let's recap on this. We have created an incident, entered all the details, and discuss about the criticality of any incident like impact, urgency and priority, how it will be picked for fixing the issue. And we have also seen once the incident is created, how it looks and where it went. So you can see here incident is listed in this column. This is your incident number, open date, short description, caller person, priority, state, category, everything will be fulfilled here and updated by admin person. So this is all about how you can create an incident in ServiceNow. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries and comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and reward with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.